Sure.
Collagen powder or collagen drip?
Collagen drip.
Morning drip or afternoon drip?
Afternoon drip.
Okay, skin glow or joint health?
Skin glow.
Prevention or anti-aging?
Anti-aging.
Botox or collagen drip?
That's a tricky one. I would say collagen drip.
Okay, fillers or collagen drip?
Oh, you're so cheeky. Yeah, I would say fillers.
Okay, PRP or collagen drips?
Absolutely collagen drip.
Facial treatment or internal treatment?
I would say internal treatment.
First, and then you go
Then
for the
you can
facial.
focus on the facial treatment.
Yeah. Natural aging or supported aging?
I would say supported aging. We all need that.
One word clients use most after the collagen drip.
So the one thing they ask when I'm gonna see the results.
Yeah, obviously. उसके बाद सबसे पहला question तो यही होता है. One myth about collagen you wish would disappear.
One thing about collagen, I wish that should have been disappeared. I don't think
A myth.
A myth. Okay, so people think like, that you could see, like you just had the IV drip and straight away when you're off the IV drip, you could see the tightening straight away. So I feel like that's a myth. Everything takes time.
Okay.
So I believe people should be a bit more patient related to.
And educated about that.
Yeah.
Biggest mistake people make with the collagen?
So they don't drink plenty of water. So what they do, they get the collagen drip and then they have lots of, these soft drinks, consuming, fizzy drinks and unhealthy eating. You need to focus on your lifestyle as well as what's the intake after the collagen drip.
Okay, collagen in your 20s or collagen in your 40s?
20s.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beauty from outside or beauty from inside?
Beauty from inside and outside after 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay, first thing you notice improving after the collagen trip?
You will see that you feel refreshed within after, let's say, 28 to 48 hours, right? And then when you go slowly onwards, from 2 to 3 weeks, you will see your skin's getting more tighter, more youthful, more glowy. Okay. And it's really good when you have Botox and fillers done. In the middle time, the management period, it really gives you a good youthful and glowy boost.
Okay, best season for the collagen drip?
Any season for the collagen is the best season because it's IV and it makes you feel better, as well as it's helping you to have the collagen which you're lacking in. So don't wait if it's summer, spring or fall time. Just get it done when your body needs it.
Okay, post-holiday recovery or pre-event prep?
I would say pre-event prep, because if you're not drinking enough plenty of water, you're not hydrated, it's very difficult to find vein to do your IV.
Okay. One sign your body's crying for the collagen?
You see lots of wrinkles and lines and sagginess on your face straight away.
Okay.
And your lower back aching all the time. That means your body's crying for it.
Okay. Collagen for men or women or both?
I would say both.
Okay, our lifestyle habit that destroy collagen fastest.
So I would say the healthy lifestyle, exercising, dehydration. I should say keep yourself well hydrated and have healthy food intake, please.